Imagine a month where you can't eat or drink from dawn until sunset. Sounds challenging, right? But for over 1 billion Muslims around the globe, it's a yearly spiritual journey called Ramadan. Marking the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar, Ramadan is an important time of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. Fasting from dawn until sunset is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, an obligation for all adult Muslims, with certain exceptions. So you might wonder, why do Muslims choose to fast for an entire month? Let's delve into the significance of Ramadan. Fasting during Ramadan isn't just about physical restraint, it's a time for spiritual reflection and growth. Think about it as a spiritual detox, a chance to renew and refresh not just the body, but also the soul. Picture this: a young man, let's call him Ahmed, who had strayed from his faith, found himself in the middle of Ramadan, feeling lost. He decided to use this sacred period as a chance to reconnect with his faith. He fasted, prayed, and immersed himself in the teachings of the Quran. By the end of the month, Ahmed found himself transformed. He felt closer to his faith and had a renewed sense of purpose. Ramadan is a month of transformation, just like Ahmed's. It is a time to purify the soul, to become more pious and charitable, and to seek forgiveness for past mistakes. It's a chance to wipe the slate clean and start anew. But why this particular month? Because Ramadan is the month when the Quran, the holy book of Islam, was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad. It's a commemorative month that holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims worldwide. So, you see, Ramadan is much more than just a month of fasting. It's a journey of self-improvement, spiritual growth, and giving back to the community. It's a time to pause, reflect, and strive to become the best version of oneself. Ramadan is not just about fasting, it's a time for self-improvement, spiritual growth, and giving back to the community. Understanding Ramadan can bring us closer together, fostering mutual respect and harmony. As we delve into the essence of Ramadan, it's essential to recognize the value of understanding and respect. This extends beyond the Muslim community, reaching out to every individual who shares our global community. By gaining insight into the practices and beliefs of others, we cultivate a sense of empathy, fostering unity and respect. So, where can we learn more about Ramadan? There are countless resources available at our fingertips. Books, documentaries, online articles, and even podcasts provide a wealth of information about this holy month. Educational institutions and community centers often host lectures or workshops about Ramadan, allowing for a more interactive learning experience. But why should we take the time to learn about Ramadan if we don't observe it ourselves? Well, knowledge breeds understanding. By acknowledging and respecting the significance of Ramadan, we contribute to a more inclusive society. It's about fostering a sense of harmony in our diverse world, where every tradition and belief is valued. Remember, Ramadan isn't just about fasting. It's a time of self-discipline, spiritual growth, and community bonding. It's a time when Muslims around the world unite in a shared practice, reflecting on their faith while extending kindness and generosity. So next time you see someone fasting during Ramadan, remember it's not just about abstaining from food and drink. It's a journey of self-discipline, spiritual growth, and a deep sense of community. Ramadan, a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community, holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims worldwide. This is not just an event, but a time of profound inner transformation and spiritual growth. We've journeyed through the essence of Ramadan, understanding its importance and the reasons why Muslims around the globe observe this sacred month. It's a period of deep contemplation, a time when Muslims fast from dawn to dusk, not merely abstaining from food and drink, but also from wrongdoings. This is a time for purification, for seeking forgiveness, and for renewing one's commitment to lead a life of righteousness. Ramadan is also a time of unity and giving. It's a period when Muslims are encouraged to be more generous, to help the less fortunate, and to strengthen their bonds with their community. But beyond the fasting and the prayers, Ramadan carries a universal message of peace, patience, and empathy. It is a reminder that despite our different cultures and traditions, there are values that we all share, values that make us human. In this spirit, let's remember the importance of understanding and respecting each other's beliefs and customs. Let's celebrate the richness of our diversity, and let's continue to learn from each other, fostering a sense of global unity. As we continue to learn about each other's traditions, let's strive to create a world that values diversity, inclusivity, and mutual respect. Ramadan Kareem.